Hey, so today I'm working on this, it's like a weather vane that stakes into the ground. It looks like something you'd buy and have shipped, and you put it together. It's got these threaded pieces of pipe, and it's painted to look like copper or brass, but it's actually steel. And this section right here has become wallowed out, so when you put it in the ground, the top of the post just flops around. You can see it's egged out there, and so I'm gonna try and shrink that down and then MIG weld it so it's more stable. So get started on that. First remove the finish. I'm going to use this little ball peen hammer and try to close this end down a little where I'm going to weld. And I made it fit tighter. I'm going to do just a little bit more of that maybe. And that's looking good. Got the old Lincoln welder here. I'm going to turn on the gas. Always look away when I'm cracking the valve. So all I need to do is engage the wire here. And I've got the chart posted right here in my welder. Usually I don't have to change it much. Looks like about F4. And I'm going to power it up. So I'll move the camera back, but I'll zoom in. There you go. I don't want to ruin my lens. So I got a couple of tacks in it. So there you go, got it welded and ground down. The welds a little. There's a few little pinholes in it, but it's no big deal. It'll hold.